Breaking news just coming in. Kailash Vijayvargiya has announced that he will not be contesting the Lok Sabha elections. In a tweet, Vijayvargiya has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party has always believed in nation first, party second, self last. People of Indore want me to contest, but I have the responsibility of Bengal with me and I want BJP to win in Bengal. Unquote. That's the very latest that is coming in. That was a tweet of Kailash Vijayvargiya that we have pulled out for you as well. My colleague Paulami Saha is breaking the story now. She's joining us from the newsroom. Paulami, is the focus of Kailash Vijayvargiya is solely on Bengal now, where BJP is hoping for major gains, which is the reason we are getting this news that's coming in?
Well, yes, that is what BJP's Kailash Vijayvargiya, who's also the party's National General Secretary, is claiming. He says that the party's focus is West Bengal, not just for the Lok Sabha elections, for the state elections as well later, because the BJP wants to make some serious inroads into West Bengal. There are 3 states that Amit Shah has set his eyes on where the BJP doesn't have much of a footprint, which includes the state of Kerala. Then, of course, there's Odisha, and then, of course, there's West Bengal. So these are target states as far as Amit Shah is concerned and the Bharatiya Janata Party is concerned. And Kailash Vijayvargiya has now announced that there are a lot of party workers on the ground who want me to contest the Lok Sabha elections from the constituency of Indore, but I have chosen not to do so because I want to focus on West Bengal. He is a very prominent leader in the Bharatiya Janata Party. He's been a legislator several times over from the city of Indore. He's been the mayor of Indore as well. And then, of course, because of his performance in the state of Madhya Pradesh, he was elevated and brought to Delhi by Amit Shah. He was made the National General Secretary and then given charge of first Haryana and of course then West Bengal as well, where he says now he wants to focus on completely. Indore obviously has become an open seat for the Bharatiya Janata Party, and they have to decide who will be contesting from that seat after Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan, who represented Indore in the Lok Sabha, said that she will not be contesting the elections this time round, and the party is free to choose whoever they want. And now Kailash Vijayvargiya said, I know that party workers want me to contest, but I would not like to contest these elections.
All right, thanks so much, Paulami, for that insight and breaking the story right here.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.